Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making Korean banchan or side dish, spicy lettuce. First, we have about 150 to 200 grams of lettuce of your choice. Then we're going to slice 50 grams of onion. These are the ingredients for the lettuce banchan. Now we put in a mixing bowl 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, two teaspoons of sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon honey, two tablespoons low sodium soy sauce, 2.5 teaspoons to 1 tablespoons of rice vinegar, half teaspoon fish sauce. Mix well and put the sliced onion. I like to massage the sliced onion in the sauce a little bit. For those who have subscribed to my channel, I thank you for your support. If you haven't subscribed, now is a good time to do so as I upload a new video every week. Thank you for watching and see you next time.